Hi, my name is Juan Carlos Miguel T. Basa, and this is our webpage that we created for our final summative assessment in the Itcs111. This is our webpage, and this is what we are supposed to recreate. It is not exactly the same because this uses a lot of CSS to design the font, the color, the background, and here the buttons. It is supposed to design that, but we used very minimal CSS in creating our web page. The buttons does not work, but it shows you the drop down, the choices of each button, like here, like in our original web page. But ours does not work, as you can see. The CSS we used is for the font and the colors of the backgrounds of this button and this one. It is very minimal. The image we used for the logo and the university name is the same one in the original website, which we used this to view the source of the image so we can download it and use it on our webpage. But this one, we used snipping tool to get the image and then use it on our webpage as well. And to talk about the code or the HTML of this webpage, I will now call on my classmate Charlie Taglino.
This is our code that we did. First thing, we did a nav element for us to declare a nav bar, and we did a div tag for us to make divisions of the content. We use nav element for us to have a navigation bar, and also we use select element for us to have an option what we want to choose. Those are the select element that we put. Those are our nav bar. We created some span here for the separation in the nav bar. This is our main content. Main content includes the images and buttons like this. This is the buttons. This is the images, the tagline of the style, the header, and this is the paragraph. And in this case, we use external CSS. External CSS that we use because it's much beautiful to see. It's not messy to see on the code that we use instead of using internal CSS. Those are the code that we did, and those are the style.